This was a product that was recently sent to us, and I am so excited about taking a closer look at it. This is the high-speed heating blender. Look at how slick and beautiful that is. I'm telling you, it'll look gorgeous on any countertop. Absolutely beautiful. I like it too because it's lightweight enough to take it on and off if you don't want to keep it on a countertop and you want to put it away. It's not super heavy, so it's easy and not bulky. It comes with all these pieces as well. It comes with a little steaming basket. It comes with a strainer. It also comes with the sponge, and it comes with the vent on top as well that you can put on to vent out the heat and the steam. I love that. They absolutely thought of everything. The sponge, I think, is an amazing little touch that it came with. So awesome. Comes with obviously the manual and everything to do and how to go ahead and use this because it's a heating blender. It's not your normal blender, and it gives you full explicit instructions, which is really nice. Let's take a closer look at this gorgeous glass container. I mean, it is a really thick, good quality glass, and look at how beautifully labeled the front is. It shows you all the different functions that you could make and do with it, which is really nice. So you don't have to scramble looking for your manual. It's right there for you, and it shows you how to do it. So basically simple enough. All you need to do is go ahead and press that button for whatever it is you're doing. If you're doing a milkshake or a smoothie, you're making oatmeal, if you're steaming veggies or something like that, or even fruit. And you know what's really nice about this one too is you can make nut milk with it. You can do soy milk, nut milk. I thought that was such a great option on that because there's so many gadgets out there, and doing nut milk is just another machine that you would have to keep in the house. Everybody needs to get one of these. We absolutely love it. Really, really love this one.